Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So I'm here on the daily time frame for the ETH chart and we see upside momentum continues. I mentioned in one of the last videos that the $4,400 level is like the next key one, or in one of our last updates. At least this was the level I called out as next resistance. Obviously after the flash crash on Friday, we formed another low. I mean, without Trump's posts, maybe we would have really held a higher low because this could have been the low of the wave 4. But I mean, the thesis, the base case was in August that we have probably a wave 4 correction that's coming up and we have to give it room. Yeah, we have to allow for the market to drop 32%. All the way down to the 50% retracement. Doesn't mean this has to be maxed out, necessarily, but it means that we have to give the market that room. Now, an ideal target for a fourth wave is typically the 38.2 retrace level at 3,665. It held as well, and we're trying to turn around now. Yeah, so we're trying to form that fifth wave here to the upside now. What is now important is obviously that we break above that green line at $4,400, and then we can start the fifth wave up. Now, I mean, don't get me wrong, it could be unfolding already. It's just that then we get confirmation. But confirmation isn't certainty, as you know. That would be too easy. That would be too easy. Looking at the shorter time frame, now I have mapped out here how a three-wave move up would look like in an ABC structure. The question is, okay, what would be after that, right? I mean, if it's only an ABC structure to the upside and we break down, well, chances are we'll form another low and reset the wave 4. I don't want to map it all out here because it's at this point not very clear how exactly the structure would be. What I want to highlight is from that low on Friday, what we really need is a 5-wave move up. Without that 5-wave move up, there is no confirmation at all that a low is in. For now, I see 3 waves up. I need another higher low and another higher high. For now, I'd prefer if this stretches a little bit higher, this fifth wave, and possibly we get to 4,400, then a higher low and a higher high. Then I can talk about it as a 5-wave structure. And this is important for me to add support in blue wave 2. And then we have a 1-2 setup. And then from there we can watch for higher prices. So this would be amazing if that happens. But all eyes now on the $4,400 level. I communicated earlier today in our member update, this support zone here, the price dipped into it, reversed. We also dipped into this support area. I mean, not we, the price did Saturday. So micro support levels are holding, which means we have this short-term uptrend, but we have not broken above any meaningful swing high. That would be this one at $4,400. So yeah, I think we need to have all eyes on that level. I expect some resistance there. If there is no resistance, even better. That's a bullish signal. So that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.